Hi there, this is Chris Kellett with musegrid.com. Let's take a look at our new BuildIT construction services template. Now this is one of our new snap templates, so all of the content here works across the board with our previous template and anything with a snap logo. But let's take a look at the particular features. We have this nice big slider here. Now this is a full width slider. If we zoom out, we can see that this slider grows to fit the page, and it doesn't create the left and right scrolling, which is very useful. And if you're looking to see how we actually did that, then get the template and take it apart. But it works very, very well. So we have this nice large navigation menu, and it's obviously quite a blocky font to create the construction kind of feel. And then we're using black and white photography, which works great with the colors. As we move through the template, we have some really nice features. If we go into our projects here, we've got our projects list. We've got this nice big gallery here, and let's go through and take a look at the projects. We've got these project pages, and they have their own sliding galleries and comments, so you would use this as a case study kind of item. Our services and other pages. This also comes with a mobile and the tablet version, so you get all three versions included, and it's very easy to configure. So let's take a look at that in Muse. So when you first open the new BuildIT template, you'll notice that we have our instructions layer switched on, which is a new feature in our snap templates. So you have instructions here that tell you how to work with the template, and all of our links to our support and training, and how to hide this layer, of course, before you publish. And we also have a new layer, which is our Style Magician layer. So let's switch that on, and all of the basic styling of the site, the color schemes, everything that controls the main overall look and feel of the site is now in our Style Magician layer rather than a separate page. So you can modify the different fonts and colors, and it's as easy as if we pull up the swatches panel here, we go into this blue swatch, we'll click on there, we can see it's highlighted here in the swatch panel, we right click on it, click on swatch options, and let's change that to, let's say, a nice deep red. Click OK. That will now run through the process of finding all of the colors, all of the times that color has been used throughout the site, and update it. It does take a few moments to do that, because obviously it's going through. There we go, we're up to date there. Now let's do the next color, and let's swatch options and push this up to red here. So we'll take the same luminosity of the color, but we will change its tint, and so now we have all of our colors changed, and you can see that all of the different items within the site have been changed nice and quickly. And if we switch off our Style Magician layer, we'll lock it down as well, we can see that the site now has all of the color elements already up to date. And if we go into our tablet version, we can see that the color is reflected throughout the template. So this is a great way to start your project, is getting your colors right, and then start going in and modifying the different elements and positioning. And we have created all the different mobile elements ready for you to go on this. So I actually quite like that color scheme, so maybe that's something you might want to use as well. So that's the new BuildIT template. There's lots of features in there which you'll find in the widgets panel, and you'll see in the different layers. And again, you just switch on the Style Magician layer, click on an item that you want to modify. Oh, you need to unlock it. Click on an item you want to modify. Everything's listed and tells you what everything does, how it all works. Make your changes there. Right click on the color swatches to change them. If we wanted to change this text here, let's change that in, that would be a paragraph style, so we can see that highlighted there. So if we go to our text tool now, and we're going to change its color. Let's choose that dark red that we've just chosen there, and we see the little plus icon here. Right click on the plus icon, or use the little redefine button here, so we'll hit redefine, and then everywhere that style is being used, let's switch off in our layers panel, switch style magician off, and you can see now that the different items that have used that that particular paragraph style have now been updated to match the color. So very easy to use, very easy to update. Let's also take a look at, just to prove to you, updates throughout the site and the tablet and phone versions. Very easy to use, and we hope you enjoy using the template. And we have more tutorials to do with Snap. If you're not sure what Snap's all about, then take a look at our blog, and you'll find a great article on and little video about Snap and how the Snap templates are really going to improve your workflow and how fast you can work. And thanks for watching.